Hey guys, this is Shalmali Sadhav and welcome back to my channel where I create videos on self-development and personal growth. Well, today's video is going to be a vlog where I am going to keep it raw and random for you guys to see what I do throughout the day, and the name of the vlog is a day in the life of a founder. So you are going to see what I do with my businesses and my schedule, my meetings, webinars, and a lot of it in today's vlog. This is my first ever vlog and it's going to be a very new and different experience for me. I hope you guys like it. So it's 9 a.m. in the morning and we have settled down to work. However, if you see my workspace, it's shabby and it's not organized. But that's the first thing on my list that I always do when I sit down to work. The first thing I do is to manage, keep all the things at their place and make it a good looking workspace, because I just can't do with a shabby workspace. So why this vlog? Because I used to get a lot of questions on my DMs like, what is exactly your routine? You are just 22, you have your college, you have your studies, plus you run 2 businesses. How do you do all of it? So I thought, why not film a vlog, a raw and random video where I just show that what happens throughout the day in a life of a founder. And that is why this vlog. I hope it really goes well. Okay guys, so after completely arranging the space, now we have settled down properly, and when I start with my routine, the first thing I do is to create a to-do list. However, while creating a to-do list, I always make sure that I'm paying attention towards taking breaks, towards not working too much, towards keeping myself hydrated, towards eating in between, so that I don't go for too long without eating. And also, when I create to-do list, I create 3 different to-do lists. The first one is my personal to-do list. The second one is for my first venture, that is Empathy for You, and the third one is for my second venture, that is You Lead. So now we are going to create 3 different to-do lists. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to click photographs of the to-do list and send it in my group of my team, so that my team gets to know that what are the tasks that we have to complete throughout the day. Okay, so when it comes to stock market, there's a website that I always refer to before buying or selling stocks, and that website is investing.com. I'm not talking a lot about stock market here in this video because I'm going to make a new video, a detailed video on stock market and how you have to buy and sell stocks. So yep, this is the website, investing.com, and now I'll just start with my stock market study. So this is how we study the stock. This is called as paper trading method. I am an old school fashioned when it comes to trading. I usually love to do paper trading before buying or selling any stock. So now I've completed my paper trading and now I'm all set to buy the stocks. Okay, so now we are done with the stock market, and now it's almost 10 a.m. and this is the time when my team starts working. So the first thing when my team comes on board, what we do is have meeting with my content head and my social media head. In the meeting with content head, she tells me that what content we are going to work upon today, the whole day, and with my meeting in with my social media head. We discuss upon what I'm going to see throughout the day on my social media feed, on the social media feeds of Empathy for You and YouLead. So that's the agenda, and I already have my content head waiting for me. So I'm just going to join the meeting right away. Okay guys, so I just wrapped my first meeting with my content head, and my social media head is already here. So just give me 15 minutes, I'll prepare and come back again. So I just got done with both the meetings with my content head as well as my social media head, and now after completing this work I go straight into my flow state exercise. My flow state exercise is something which is a 1.5 hour session where I just be with myself and complete my personal task. I don't need any other disturbance, and I love the place to be quiet in order for me to brainstorm the sessions. I plan, I strategize, I come with different ideas, and hence I love the surroundings which are serene. And that is why I tell everyone not to disturb me, especially during this flow state exercise. So yeah, let's get started. It's almost 10:30 now, and my flow state gets completed at almost 11:30 or 12 p.m. What you guys see right now is the outcome of the intensive planning exercise. We have planned this many pages right now, so I'm just feeling very happy. Hi again. So I just got done with my flow state exercise. Those were 2 intense hours of planning, strategizing, editing my Instagram content, researching for YouTube videos, checking out my mails, replying to some of the mails. So yes, that has been an intense flow state exercise. Now it's almost 12:30, so it's my lunch break for 1 hour, for next 1 hour till 1:30. I usually make sure that I have my lunch between 12:30 to 1:30, so that it doesn't become too late. So yes, now I'm going to go. I'm already feeling hungry a lot. So yes, let's go. Hi guys. So yeah, we just got done with editing the newsletter and the monthly report. Now the next task on the list is to check my mails. I make sure that I check my mails 2 times a day. Once before my flow state exercise or during my flow state exercise, and second after the lunch. So now we have the time to check my mails, and after that I'll be taking a 15 minutes break before starting my mentoring calls. I have 2 mentoring calls today. One is going to be from 4 to 5 and the second one from 5 to 6. So till 4 to 6 I'm going to be busy with mentoring the students, and before that I need a break. I would be doing a kind of recreational activity, might be reading a book or having a cup of coffee to make sure that I am out of everything and completely focused upon what the students are saying and helping them out. Now we are going to check the mails and dive directly into the mentoring calls. second mentoring call in a bit. I'm just waiting for the student to join in. Alright, she is here. I'll see you at 6 p.m. again. Bye. Now we are nearing the end of the video and we are nearing the end of my day. But yes, before coming to an end, I wanted to show you this tool that I made available for anyone and everyone with my latest videos on personal finance, which is called as the Finance Tracker. So this is a finance tracker, which is a set of 3 different trackers: an expense tracker, an income tracker, and a savings tracker. I always use this type of tracker to track my expenses every month. This is an income tracker where you have to write down your income. There is a column of ways to save, and then we have a savings tracker, which is an annual month. Here are the months written. You just have to write down how much you saved in each month. So this was the tracker that I used to use every month to track my expenses. However, after the personal finance YouTube content, I felt like I should make it available for anyone and everyone. So already 258 of you have signed up for this tracker. However, if you still want to take or get hands-on on this tracker, you can drop me a mail on chanmalizadav30@gmail.com, or make sure to drop me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be sending this tracker, the digital copy of this tracker, to you. And yes, now we are nearing the end of this vlog. So guys, do let me know how you found out this vlog to be, because I really enjoyed this experience of filming a vlog and editing it and almost keeping it raw and random. So do let me know how you found out this vlog to be, and also let me know if you have any content suggestions in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because that really motivates me to film new videos and upload them on YouTube. And yes, thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video very soon.